Hello to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Sethi Learn. In today's session 4 on JEE Advanced Paper Discussion 2024, basics concepts will be covered on the topics of limits and inverse trigonometric function by taking illustrations from JEE Advanced 2024. In earlier sessions, we have discussed session 1, session 2, session 3 on these topics, which you can review on Sethi Learn. I will also request go through the videos on these, which will be very helpful for JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, other entrance examinations, which you can review on Sethi Learn. Now let's start with the question. Question is, considering only the principal values of inverse trigonometric functions, the value of 10 sine of inverse 3 by 5, 2 cos of 5 is 4 options are given to, one of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2024 paper second. Now, question is very straight, but calculation work is involved. I will request students always make the calculations to conclude the answer, because every question has two parts. One is the concept understanding, second is the final to conclude the answer. To conclude the answer is very essential for JEE Main and JEE Advanced, as finally we have to pick up the numerical value, right? Now let's start the question. Say this is alpha, this is beta. So we have to find the value of 10 of alpha minus beta. That is 10 of alpha minus 10 of beta upon 1 plus 10 alpha into 10 of beta. Now next target is to find the value of 10 cos of inverse. So this was sine alpha. Sine alpha is 3 by 5. Sine alpha is 3 by 5. Alpha 3, 5, 4. So 10 of alpha is 3 by 4. Similarly, beta by 2. Cos of beta by 2 is equal to 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. So 2 root 5. Right? This will become 1. Then 10 of beta by 2 will be equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 10 of alpha minus beta will be equal to. Now, this is 10 beta by 2. What we have to find the value of now? 10 beta. 10 beta will be equal to 210 beta by 2 upon 1 minus 10 of square beta by 2. Substituting values. This comes out to 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. This goes, the answer comes out to be 4 by 3. Now substituting here, 10 alpha minus beta will be equal to 10 alpha, 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3 upon 1 plus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. This comes out to simplification, 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 upon 12 upon this goes 2. So minus 7 by 24. Minus 7 by 24. Let's see the answer whether it is given to you. B option is the correct option, right? B option is correct option. B is the correct answer. Here simple technique was only that first we have to find the beta by 2, then we have to find the beta, then we have to put in the answer, right? Next question. Question is, let k belongs to R if limit x tends to 0 plus sine of kx plus cos x plus x की whole power 2 की power x 2 upon x equal to e की power 6. We have to find the value of k. 4 options are given to you. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2024 paper 2. Concept, applicable and solution. You know, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x over 1 by x की power. Answer is E. Answer is E. Means if on substituting limit we get 1 plus 0 की power infinity, answer will be E. In this case, this and this term should be reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal to each other. Then we can find. Now, let limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax की power b upon x. Answer will be limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax, इसका reciprocal रेज कर दिया 1 over ax, right? ax into b by x. This goes on substituting limit. On substituting limit, we get e की power ab. E की power ab means limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax, 1 plus a on b by x. Answer is e की power ab, right? I have shown the basic concept applicable here in detail. Also, you know expansion of sin x. Expansion of sin x. Sin x can be written as sin x is x minus x cubed by factorial 3 plus x 5 over factorial 5, and cos x expansion है 1 minus x over factorial 2 plus x4 by factorial 4 and so on, right? Now as x is very small, therefore sin x can be approximated with cursor and cos x can be represented as 1 minus x square by 2. Now question is solved, very simple. Question is solved. देखिएगा इसमें क्या होगा. इसमें क्या करेंगे वो sin kx, तो sin kx kx आ गया. kx plus 1 minus x square by 2 plus x की पावर 2 by x. लिमिट x tends to 0. इसमें क्या किया हमने? On substituting the limits, this term will become 0. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus k plus 1 x power 2 by x, right? Now put the limit 1 plus 0 over infinity बन गए. If we put the limit, we get 1 plus 0 की power infinity. It means this is a and this is a and this is b. Its answer will be therefore e की power k plus 1 into 2. According to question, this is given to e की power k plus 1 2 equal to e की power 6. So k plus 1 2 equal to 6. This comes out 3. K comes out to be 2. This is the answer. B is the correct option. B is correct option. Right? Question was very simple. Question is very simple if you know the concept. Concept where if x is approaching to 0, then this can be written as kx, this can be written 1 minus x square by 2 simply. And the formula is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax की power b upon x. The answer is e की power ab. How we achieve, we have discussed here in detail. Right? Now, next question. Question is, let S be the set of all alpha beta belonging to R cross R such that limit x tends to infinity sin naught square log of e की power x alpha sin 1 plus x square upon log upon x की power alpha beta log e 1 plus x की power beta equal to 0. You have to pick up one of the correct answer. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2024 paper 2. Before start of the question, I will discuss certain concepts. You know, limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x equal to 1, provided on substituting limits we get 0 by 0, and this should be matching, right? Now in this case, if we put the limit sin of 1 by x square, this becomes 0. If we multiply and divide by 1 by x square, so this will become 1 by x square, this will become 1, right? Sin x square, what is the domain of sine? Domain of sine is R and range is -1 to 1, right? Graph is like this, right? Means value of sine of x square will oscillate between -1 and 1, and no finite value there, no finite value will be known, right? Now this is the finite value, this is 1. Now graph of log is given to as x approaches infinity, log x also approaches infinity for base greater than 1, right? This is the graph here, right? Now in this case, now let's write the question. Limit x tends to 0 sin of x square into sin of 1 by x square upon 1 by x square into 1 by x square into log of e x power alpha upon x power alpha beta, x power alpha beta into log of base is e. E is greater than 1. E 1 plus x power beta equal to 0, right? If we put the limit, this will become 1, right? Now for the limit x tends to 0, this is the sin of x square log of e की power x power alpha upon x की power alpha beta plus 2 log of e 1 plus x power beta. This will definitely become 0. Expression will definitely become 0 if alpha beta plus 2 is greater than 0. Alpha plus beta is greater than 0. Means alpha beta is greater than -2. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट -2 आएगा. Please now pick up the correct possible answers out of this. -2, -1, तो प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? Alpha beta, in this case product will be -1. In this case product will be -1. You draw the number line, -2, -3. We have to pick up in this side. So this is the correct one. This is equal to, we have to get the correct options are. correct options will be B and C. Correct options are B and C. Right? Now let me explain the question again orally. Question is given to this expression 0. We have to pick up one of the correct answer. Sine of 1 by x square. This becomes sine 0. 1 by x square is the angle, divide and multiply by the angle. 1 by x square, 1 by x square, that becomes 1. यहाँ पे x की power alpha plus beta होगा. This is the finite value. Now this is uncertain depending on the value of alpha and beta, right? Therefore, this expression will definitely become 0 when x की power becomes greater than 0. In this case, x की power is alpha plus beta. Alpha beta plus 2 should be greater than 0. Means alpha beta should be greater than minus 2. 4 options are given to you. You have to select the possible answer. ये आंसर नहीं होगा, ये आंसर नहीं होगा. Product minus 2 अगर it should be greater than minus 2. This minus 3. This is not possible. So B and C are the correct options. Right? Now I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel Sethi Shifter and like this video, please subscribe and share the channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept clearing videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.